Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so and turn on your notification bell to know when I upload new video. And also do not forget to like this video at the end. So today we'll be making this beautiful satin bonnet hat, two-tone satin bonnet hat. I'll be using these two colors. I have a pink color and also like yellowish color, yellow satin fabric. So what you need for this tutorial is your fabrics, and also I'll be using this lace string to decorate it at the end. Also you need your elastic, your tape measure, your scissors and your pins. You equally need your sewing machine, but if you don't have sewing machine, it's optional. You can use your needle to stitch it. So let's go straight to it. So here I already cut out my circle for my bonnet hat. If you are watching my video for the first time, please, I would advise you to go to my video. You go to my channel, you see some of the video. I already made this hat, how to cut it and all that. So I'm not gonna go there today. So check out one of the videos. There you see how I cut the previous one I make. So now here I already cut out my fabric for the bonnet hat. The next thing you have to do is to you see how I cut it in the middle into two. I divided it into two separate parts. Here is the pink because it's gonna be two-tone. I'll use this, like you have to place the whole the good side together and stitch this from here to here, and stitch this end from here to here. Then after, I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I've finished stitching the two colors together, the two fabrics. You see what we have now. So right now I'm gonna place it like this so that this color, they will be contrasting each other. This color will be going with the pink and this side with the yellow. So I'll put it like so. I'll put them together. Make sure the stitches are facing each other properly, and I'll use my pin to pin it round from this end till the end, just round the whole fabric. I'll pin it together and I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it from, just go around and sew it together. And leave, when you are sewing, remember to leave space. Always remember to leave space so that at the end we'll turn it to the good side. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch it round, and I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, at this stage I've finished stitching it down. I've sewn it together. So now, and I left the opening, I will turn it to the right side like so. I'll just turn it to the right side, and you see the whole idea. So now I will take it to my sewing machine again. Like I said before, you can use sewing machine. It will be easier for you. It will make your life easy to use sewing machine. But if you don't have sewing machine, you can still do this with your needle, but it will take you a longer time than the sewing machine. So I'll iron it down to make the edges even. You see how it is now. I'll go and iron it down. After that, I'll come back and show you guys the next step. The next step is just simple, just to do a running stitch like this, all round, and leave a space here, and go again. Here you insert the space you are leaving. We are sewing just to give make a casing where we will insert our elastic. So but first of all, I'll go and iron it down, and I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Like I said before, I've just finished ironing it down. So now I'll make a casing where we will insert the elastic. So I'll go ahead and make a two-line casing, After the first one, just sew around the corner and make another one round it, following it. So I'll go to my machine, I will take it there and do it. I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, at this stage I've finished making the casing. You guys can see the two lines of my stitches from this end till this end, just round the circle. And now the next thing to do is to insert your elastic. You use your safety pin like this and insert the elastic. But before you do that, take your tape, your elastic, and measure it. Know exactly how you want it, the fitting. If you want it so tight, you measure out 21 to 22 inches. But if you want it tight, you leave it at 20, depending on your head size. But generally I use 20 inches. 20. So I'll go ahead and cut my elastic. I want it a little bit loose. 21. So I'll insert my safety pin like so. I've already done this severally, so I believe this time around you guys are already, some of you that follow my video all the time, you already know how to do this. So I'll go like this. Remember the opening I told you guys you have to leave a space. So through that opening, insert it like so. Follow the pattern till the end. Just push your pin as you go. Push and pull. Push and pull. You see how I'm doing it? At this stage, your bonnet hat is ready. It's almost ready. So make sure put an eye in this so that it will not go inside. At a stage, I will use a pin to hold it onto the fabric, like so. You see how I'm pulling it and pushing it inside, and this side is going inside gradually. I'll do it like so. You see, now at this stage, do not allow your elastic to go in through your casing, otherwise you start afresh. So I'll continue like so. Push and pull. Push and pull till you come to you see the end. See where we started. So here, you see, now you stretch it the way you want it. So at this stage, I will remove the pin and make sure you are holding tight the two edges of the two ends of your elastic, and fix everything properly before you stitch it together. Make sure it's not too tight. You see, like so. When you put it the way you want it, right now I'll take it to my sewing machine again and stitch both the two ends together. You see, here and here, I'll put it like so, and I'll remove this safety pin at this time. Sorry, yeah, remove it like this. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch it together, and also, yeah, stitch here together. Close the casing spacing. I'll come back and show you guys. Yes, at this point, the bonnet hat is ready. You see the two-tone bonnet hat. You see the pink color, you see the yellow color, like yellow golden color somehow. And yeah, everything is in place right now. And this reversible bonnet hat also, you're getting 2-in-1. You can wear it on the both sides. So I'll go ahead and try it on and to show you guys the final look. Yes, you can see that. You see how beautiful it is. Two-tone bonnet hat. I'm loving it. Please do not forget to like the video and leave your comment. please leave your comment on the comment section, and if you have any question, also leave your question. I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.